Hey, it's Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to edit and customize the control center in iOS 18. Apple has made some great updates to how the control center works, giving you more flexibility than before. So let's dive into it. To start editing the control center, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see Control Center and tap on it. The only toggle you'll see here is Access within Apps, which just controls whether you can swipe into the control center while using other apps. Most of the customization is actually done directly within the control center itself. To access the control center, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. In iOS 18, there's a new layout with 3 separate pages. The first page shows your main controls like volume, brightness, and other essential toggles. The second page is where you'll find any media that's currently playing, like music or videos. The third page contains quick access features like airplane mode, AirDrop, Wi-Fi, and other utilities. Now, if you want to customize what's displayed in the control center, look for the plus symbol in the top left corner. Tapping this brings up a list of options, each with a dash symbol next to them if you want to remove any items. Just tap the minus sign to remove an item from your control center. You can also adjust the size of each control. You can make them small, like a single bubble, or expand them into larger shapes, such as squares or lines, depending on how much space you want them to take up. If you want to add new items, scroll down and tap on Add Control at the bottom. For example, if you want to add the flashlight back into your control center, just tap it, and you can even adjust its size or placement. Rearranging items is easy too. Just tap and swipe them around until everything is positioned exactly how you want. You can also customize the other pages of the control center. If there's something you don't want on a certain page, you can remove it the same way you would with the main controls. Some apps even offer additional features that you can integrate into the control center, as long as they support this built-in functionality. Once you're happy with the layout and the changes you've made, they'll be saved automatically. This gives you much more control over how your control center looks and functions compared to earlier iOS versions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments. See you later.